Hello, everyone. My name is Jeff Jones. I am from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look at the Aptoide App Store to see if it's really as good as they say, or even as good as the Google Play Store. If this is your first time tuning into one of our videos, thank you so much for tuning in. We have a YouTube channel called Stream Machines. We try to take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. Now, one of the things that I like about Android devices is the openness of them. Most other devices, maybe an Apple device or other devices, they kind of have a lot of restrictions. People navigate, or I should say gravitate towards an Android device because there are no restrictions. Now, that doesn't mean it's always going to be a bad thing, as some people try to say, but it's options. Not everything you do on an Android device is bad. But when you take a look at some things, you want options, and that's what that type of device gives you. Hence, Google Play Store is the king of applications. Let me say that. Nothing really comes close to the Google Play Store, but there are other different application stores that have other apps that may not be in the Google Play Store, that don't really require you to have a username or password, that also work very well with the Android TV platform, the launcher page that's on all of our smart TVs, that's on all of the majority of the devices. Now, I know this is not one of the most fun and engaging videos, but if you don't know some of the things that are out there for you as a streamer, you could be kind of missing out. So what do I mean? Like, for instance, I believe you should have a mixture of fun apps and also applications that keep your device very, very clean, like a task killer. Most people feel that buffering happens because your internet's a little slower. That could be true, but also buffering happens if you have too many things open, too many tasks open, too many windows open. It's just like the older computers. Too many windows, your computer will slow down. Apptoide TV is an online app store, and it gives you the chance to go to categories where you can look for book and reference. You have education, you have sports. You can install different tools, different communication tools, of course, entertainment, news and magazines, things for productivity. There's all kinds of things out here. It's like, for instance, let's go into lifestyle. As you go into lifestyle, you'll see some different things that don't make sense, but I gravitated to the fireplace application. So I'm going to install this little app. It just shows different fireplaces and everything. It's going to ask me if I want to install it, and I'm not going to open it. But this app store is really, really good for a couple of reasons. One, it's a good alternative app store. It's specifically designed for Android users, so you can get different games and things like that. So one of the other benefits, it gives you a wider range of apps. So it offers a diverse catalog of applications, including those may not be found in the Google Play Store. So it's free to access as well. So when you have stuff like this and you know how to find it, having it on your device just gives you another great way to have options all the way through. It has so many different applications that'll give you a lot of fun, whether it be games below, role-playing games, board games. I did the music thing yesterday. I think it's something that you should look at because it gives you an alternative if you're going to stream. Now, I said in the beginning that Google Play Store is the number one Play Store or App Store that you should use because it's on the majority of the devices. But like someone told me a long time ago, you need a backup to the backup. All right. So having another option just can't hurt. It only can help. So let's take a look at the app that I installed, the Fireplace Relax 2. I've never used this before, so I'm not afraid that if it doesn't work. I don't know what this is. I don't have a fire stick, but I guess that's okay. So, okay. there's different fireplaces out of there's 29 fireplaces. So let's get to the Christmassy one. All right, it's loading that one. Okay, I can get with that. Oh, what? Did I get out of there? Come on now. So maybe the fireplaces disappear after you choose them. So let's see if I can choose this again. Let's let it load up and see if it disappears out of it. Let's give it a chance. Yeah, it did. So I didn't have to hit the back button. But that's pretty nice. I mean, that's a good background. That's something that I remember my house looking like with my mom and dad who went to heaven. God rest their souls. Rest in peace. I remember this type of Christmas. It's really good. So you got different fireplaces. Let's go to 27. Let's take a look at that. But again, as I get ready to close out the video, I think having different options, just like Aptoide, can give you exactly what you're looking for, give you a ton of options, and it's super easy to get. All right. So one of the things you want to do, how do you get this? How do you get Aptoide? Really, really simple. Now, as I go over, I'm going to get rid of this fireplace. I like it, but I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it, uninstall it, because I have it on another device. So it's uninstalled. Aptoide can be found if you go to the downloader and you search this group right here, my favorites, the Troy Point Toolbox. You can look on Troy Point's website. Also, he'll give you access to his toolbox. And if you go all the way down, keep on going down. Very easy to get. There it is. Right under, there it is right there. Aptoide right there. Aptoide 5.1.2. So I'll put a link into his website. You can go find out how to access his website to get that like I did. And it's super easy to use. And I think it'll help also. One of the cooler things as I close out the video that I found in the Apptoid TV is, if you remember in the earlier part of my video, I talked about a task killer. Here it is right here. Fast Task Killer. You click on this, it has closed every task on my box. Just like that. So if you have a lot of windows open, a lot of tasks, everything that's open that's slowing you down, having that right there on your device will kill all of those things so it always runs smoother. I got that out of Aptoide TV under Tools. Check it out, guys. It'll keep your device running really, really smooth, and you're really going to want that because you want to get the most out of it. So as I close out the video today, thank you guys so much for watching this short video. Thank you for keeping us and people that have purchased these devices from my website, and even those that come to our site and ask different questions. Let me just say this. Every device on our site has live TV in it. That's it. There's nothing I need to provide for you. You're just going to have to buy the box. If you go into the description of the video and you want to see what the Z10 or EasyBox Plus looks like, or a $100 and $150 device, you can click on the links in the video description. Check them out. Give it to a friend. You're not going to be disappointed. As I close out the video, have a good day, and we'll talk to you.